So, you have an idea for a new product, but you're not sure where to begin. Here's our recommended roadmap. Start by defining these 8 key characteristics, which will help your manufacturer get to know your vision. First, define the type of product you want to create, such as a lip product, a facial skincare product, a foundation, or a primer. This will be known as your product's category. Then, establish your target market segment, the consumers you hope to reach with your new beauty product. Identify your planned method of marketing and the lead claims, which should be the cornerstone of your brand and your product story. Then, identify any critical points of difference that set your brand apart. Finally, define your timing for launch, your initial production volume, and your planned price for the product. After you've defined these 8 core characteristics, put your thoughts on paper in a detailed product development brief for your manufacturer. Be sure to include the packaging type and product format, benchmark products that you're hoping to compete with, and key claims, which should match your product story. To deliver the best product possible and stay on track for your launch, screen products carefully and keep critiques focused to finish within 2 to 3 rounds of tweaks. Once you approve your product, it's production time. Your team should be busy creating detailed marketing and sales plans while your manufacturer churns out your next big hit. After a few months, for us it's 3 to 12, you're ready to launch. Check with your manufacturer to see what marketing support and educational materials they offer so you can make the most of your new product. Ready to build your dream product? Contact us to get started.